Are you tired of paying full price for your favorite Steam games? What if I told you there's a way to get them for up to 90% cheaper? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, make sure you have the Steam app open and are logged in. Your account is your gateway to unlocking these deals, so have your username and password ready. Once you're in, head over to your profile and click on Account Details. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see an option to update your store country. By selecting a region where games are priced lower, you can unlock some incredible discounts. But a quick warning, Steam is strict about pricing policies, so always ensure your method aligns with their rules. Another approach some gamers use is a VPN to access regions with cheaper prices. This can work, but it comes with risks. Steam may penalize accounts that violate their location policies, so tread carefully if you decide to explore this option. One of the safest and most effective ways to save big is by keeping an eye on Steam's seasonal sales. Steam regularly hosts major sales during summer, winter, and fall, with discounts that can go as high as 90%. Mark your calendar, because missing these events could mean missing huge savings. Don't forget about Steam's wishlist feature. By adding games you want to your wishlist, you'll receive notifications whenever they go on sale. This means you can snag the game at its lowest price without constantly checking manually. It's a simple trick that ensures you never overpay and always stay on top of deals. By combining these strategies, regional pricing, seasonal sales, and wishlist alerts, you can build a massive gaming library without burning a hole in your wallet. Smart gaming is all about knowing when and where to buy. So, start applying these tips today, save big, and enjoy your favorite games without the stress of high prices.